Good morning guys, it's Sophie new bike. Ayan. Syempre, ang aga-aga pa lang, pag bago ang bike, gusto nang bumaba. Kaya ayan, maaga pa lang, nandito na kami sa baba. At gusto niyang mag-practice sa kanyang bike. Kahit na mainit, walang magagawa. Kasi gusto nga niyang i-practice yung kanyang bagong bike. Ganyan talaga ang bata. Pag may bago, gusto ulit. Gusto lagi-laging i-practice ang pagbabike. Ayan. Maybe she thinking, who's this? Oh, a butterfly. There already. Alright. Okay, I wait for you here. Then you just go there. It's okay. You just go there, practice.
I can go fast.
Okay, go. You turn there and come back. Be careful. Right, I'm taking a video.
But I want to go to welcome.
What you will do in the welcome?
We just have a look there.
No. Okay, go. You go and then come back here. Alright? Yeah, because it's hot there.
All the way there?
It's so hot. So you just turn here under the shadow. Under the tree shadow because it's too hot now. Otherwise you will have a sunburn. So you just turn and then come back here, okay? Ayan, mapilit kasi sabi niya mag-practice. Kaya ayan, sabi ko dito lang muna kami sa sa lilim kasi mainit na, guys. Ayan. O ikot-ikot lang siya dito para ma-practice niya at ma-balance niya yung kanyang sarili. Okay?